My greatest breakthrough so far in the program has been when they brought us down and they showed us the machines and they showed us how to clamp tools and the vise and whatnot, and they taught us how to cut stuff, and then they said, okay, now you do it. I was really nervous, and then I got working on my part and I had this realization as like, I can do this, you know, I can do this for the rest of my life. It's fun. It's great because at the beginning of the week we're in the classroom doing all our computer work, and then for the rest of the week we go in for the hands-on stuff and learn what we just learned on the computer. I can look at a piece of paper all day, but it's the fact that they're showing me the actual part up close and how to measure it and what to measure is what helps me learn a lot better. Before this program, I felt kind of hopeless. I had absolutely no idea what I wanted to do when I got out of school. I knew I wanted to go into a trade of some sort, but I wasn't 100% sure which trade I wanted to go into. And so this program has given me a lot of hope, and I feel like I know exactly what I'm going to do when I get out of school.